Here in Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Live and interactive classes means the teacher is gonna ask the answers for the various questions, and students need to answer them. And students also, if they have doubt, they can on the spot interact with the teacher and get their doubts cleared. Yes, personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size of students is 6. Okay, a dedicated mentor team will be allotted to track and work on student progress. We also cover your syllabus as per as the school exam schedule, and we also handle custom requirements. Custom requirements means like, सर मुझे ये चैप्टर में डाउट है, ये चैप्टर ज़्यादा सीखना है, ये चैप्टर में ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस देना है, ये चैप्टर ज़्यादा सीख रहा है. This is a custom requirement. Okay, we also handle custom requirements like this. Yes. Our key features of Swiflearn is a detailed progress report. A detailed progress report will be sent every month. Okay, students can take Swiflearn academic test series known as SATS. Student can also take unlimited practice tests, and the tests will be subjective tests for the school exams. So all this are our key features. So yes, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can never miss an update. Chalo, let's begin with our today's chapter, Introduction to Euclid Geometry. Okay, this will be our first session, and if you are there, let me know your names. Okay, are there any student present? Should we proceed? Yes, let us proceed then. So, objectives of today's class. What are we gonna do is we are gonna define geometry. We are gonna take the definitions defined by Euclid, and we are gonna learn what are axioms and what are postulates. By to begin with, let me say there are 7 axioms and 5 postulates. Okay, which Euclid said. Sir, ये axioms क्या है, postulates क्या है? All these things we are going to study in today's class. So let us begin our today's class. Okay, suppose you want to measure the some part of the land as shown. Okay, GPS में हमने map खोल दिया है Google Maps में, and you have marked, let us say this is your place, or this is your district, or this is your state, or something. Okay, and you want to measure how much area is this. How can we do this? Okay, we can measure the area using the help of geometry. So what is geometry? Okay, geometry is a Greek word. क्या है भाई ये? Geometry is a Greek word. We can split geometry in two parts, geo and metrine, where geo means earth and metrine means measurement. Okay, so measurement of earth in earlier days, they said this was geometry. Okay, it is not only restricted to measuring earth dimension, it is, you can also measure different geometrical figures. Okay, different geometrical shapes. Yes, you can see this person. Okay, his name is Euclid. He is the father of geometry. Okay, Euclid collected all the well-known facts, formed his famous treatise named as Elements, and Elements was divided into 13 parts, and each of the part is known as books. Okay, he divided this elements, and each of the part is known as books. So let us study about Euclid approach towards geometry. Okay, this is what we are going to study, and we shall try to link it with the present day geometry. Okay, by geometry जो पहले था and geometry which is today, okay, there is a vast difference. Okay, and let us link this. Now Euclid defined several terms like point हो गया, line हो गया, surface हो गया, etc. by using abstract models. It took models, 3D models, 2D models, and he said this is a line. This is a plane, this is a surface, this is a point. Okay, it defined it just by looking at the surroundings, and it did not have any concrete existence or proof. Okay, so he defined a point, defined a line, defined a surface. Okay, now let's take an example of a cube. It has six surfaces, right? One, two, three, four. Four like this, and one at the top, one at the bottom. So it has six surfaces. Each surface has four sides. देखो whether if this is a surface, it has one side, two side, three side, and four side. And each side has how many points? चलो अगर ये line हम एक side लेते हैं, it has 1 point and 2 point. Okay, each side is having 2 points. Yes, thus, okay, a solid shape is a 3D figure, a plane shape is a 2D figure, a line is a one-dimensional figure, and point doesn't have any dimension. Okay, now this point, a non-dimensional figure, a point is that which has no parts. Okay, Euclid defined a point is that which has no parts. He also defined lines. A line is a breadthless length. What is breadthless means? Breadth. A rectangle is having length and breadth. अगर वो breadth को हटा दिया तो क्या मिलेगा? We'll get a straight line. So he defined a line is a breadthless length. The ends of the lines are points. Okay, the ends of these lines देखो यहाँ पे these are points. And the straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. Okay, a line is made up of infinitely many points. This is what it says. Okay, a plane surface. How did you define a plane surface? A plane surface is that which has length and breadth only. Okay, ये two-dimensional figure है. It has only length and breadth. The edges of the surface are lines. Okay, see this edges of the surface. Okay, this is a surface, a plane surface, and this line, this line, this line, this line, these are all edges and they are lines. And plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. This is what a plane surface is. Now, in the previous definitions, Euclid assumed certain properties which were not to be proved as they were universal truths. Okay, जो भी यूक्लिड ने डिफाइन किया, it didn't require any proof as they were universal truths. So he divided this assumption. ये जो assume करके define किया, okay, he divided it into two types. One as axioms, one as postulates. Okay, so what are axioms? What are postulates? देखो, axioms are the assumptions which are used throughout the mathematics and not specifically linked to geometry. Axioms are the assumptions which are used throughout the mathematics. Okay, and what are postulates? Postulates are, see, the assumptions which are made strictly on the basis of geometry. Okay, ये जो भी assumptions है, these are made for the use of geometry only. Okay, these assumptions which are constrained to geometry only, उसे कहते हैं postulates. Throughout the used in mathematics is axioms. Only used in geometry is postulates. Okay, so you understood the difference between axiom and postulates? Yes. Okay, now see, he defined 7 axioms and 5 postulates. So let us take this axioms one by one. Axioms kya hai? What did we say? Which is used throughout for the mathematics. Okay, things which are equal to the same things are equal to one and another. क्या बोलते हैं? देखो इधर, the things which are equal to the same things, okay, are equal to one and another. For example, let us take like this. Now suppose A is equal to B. Okay, means I need to write it like this. Okay, and A is, and also C, if C is also equal to B. See, things which are equal to the same thing, A is equal to B, C is also equal to B, same thing equal hai. What does this imply? This implies they are equal to one and another, means A is also equal to C. This is what it says. Okay, right. This is a universal truth, right? इसको कुछ derivation चाहिए, इसको कुछ definition चाहिए, no. So this is a universal truth. Okay, also if A is equal to 8 and B is also equal to 8, are they equal to the same thing? Yes. So what does this imply? We say this as A is equal to B. Yes. Okay, so the students who are online replying, this is a subject in maths and this is for 9th standard. So if you are studying in 9th standard, let me know, or if in which standard are you studying, comment in the chat. Yes, Sarthak, good evening. Okay, yes, and drop gaming, what is your name? What is your real name? Yes, comment in the chat. So this is what is axiom 1. Okay, what is axiom 1? If two things are equal to the same thing, they are equal to each another. Okay, ये axiom 1 है. Now, what is axiom 2? Okay, if equal are added to equals, the whole things are equal. Yes, देखो इधर. If equals are added to equal, let us take an equal A is equal to B. Let us take an another equal C is equal to D. Now if I add A plus C, and will I get B plus D? Okay, let us take, okay, this is what the axiom says. Let us take an example. A is equal to B is equal to 5 and C is equal to D is equal to 3. Now to equals we are adding one more equal. Will they be equal to each other? Yes, definitely they will be. देखो इधर A is 5, substitute 5. C is 3, substitute 3. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. B is 5, D is 3. We also go on 8. सर हमको इधर C नहीं ऐड करना है, हमको D ऐड करना है. करो भाई, करो D ऐड करो. You will get the same thing. Okay, A plus D and B plus C. Yes. So this is what is second axiom. Okay, yes. See, we take a similar example. Now, see here. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equals. Yes, Sarthak. Is your name Sarthak or something else? Okay, let me know if your name is Sarthak or something else, because sometimes you will be using the IDs of your brother, sister, mother, father, right? So if your name is Sarthak, give a thumbs up. Okay, or you say comment in the chat, my name is Sarthak. And what about drop gaming? Is your name, what is your name? Okay, Sarthak, your name is Sarthak only. Yes, Sarthak, welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination. Sarthak, in which standard are you studying in? Are you studying in 9th standard or something else? Let me know in which standard are you studying in. Yes. So axiom 3. Okay, if equals are subtracted from equals, let us take equal C is equal to D, which is 3, and let us take another equal A is equal to B, which is 8. Now subtract this equal from this equal. A minus C is equal to B minus D. Yes, Sarthak, this is for you then. You are studying in 9th standard. We are studying this Euclid geometry. Yes, tomorrow is your exam. All the best and do well. So 8 minus 3, how much is that? 8 minus 3 is 5. And B is also 8, D is also 3, so this is also 5. So 5 is equal to 5. This is axiom 3. So if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainder will be same. Yes. Okay. Now, fourth axiom. Okay, write this in your book if you're writing, if you're making notes. Fourth axiom. The things which coincide with one another are equal to one and another. What does coincide mean? देखो इधर. Let me draw a rectangle. Okay, let me draw an another color rectangle. The things which coincide are equal to one another. Coincide means what? इसके ऊपर ये मैंने रख दिया. Okay, it will take the exact shape. Is it taking the exact shape? नहीं ना. So this is not equal to one another. If I adjust the dimension and make it equal, okay, देखो यहाँ पे एक मिनट मुझे. Yes. Now the red rectangle exactly coincides with the green rectangle. एक के ऊपर एक रख दिया. We cannot see the red rectangle, so this is what coincides mean. Okay, it has the exact size, dimension, shape, everything same. Okay, that is coincide. Now you will let me make this small. Now do this rectangle coincide now? देखो एक के ऊपर एक रख दिया. नहीं, we can see this red portion is big than the green portion, so they do not coincide. But if they coincide, like previously जैसे मैंने दिखाया था, if they coincide with each other, okay, both of them are equal to one another. Equal to one another means in terms of size, in terms of area, in terms of everything. Yes, you can also take an example of circle and do this. Yes, here you can also take a rectangle, you can take any geometrical figure to define this axiom. Okay, now see, both the triangles are coinciding with one another, then what we can say, this triangle, this is equal to this. Okay, now the next axiom, axiom 5, the whole is greater than the part. Okay, whole is greater than a part. Let us take an example of a pizza. भाई पिज्जा पसंद है तुम्हें? किसी को पसंद है? If someone is liking pizza, comment in the chat. Okay, थिन क्रस्ट पिज्जा. सर इसके टॉपिंग्स कहाँ है? टॉपिंग्स नहीं लेंगे अभी के लिए, ठीक है. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पिज्जा एंड लेट अस टेक अ पार्ट ऑफ अ पिज्जा. पार्ट ऑफ अ पिज्जा मीन्स लाइक दिस. Okay, let me draw it for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, एक स्लाइस ले लूं मैं. Yes, let us take one slice. Now, what does the axiom says? Read along with me or read this in your mind. क्या बोल रहा है? The whole part is greater. The whole is greater than the part. Yes, it is true. ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा है. This is made up of 4 parts of this. ऐसे वाले करेक्ट काटेंगे तो you will get 4 pieces. ये 4 piece है, ये 1 piece है. ये full part है, ये थोड़ा part है. So the whole part is always greater than the whole is always greater than the part. This is what axiom 5 says. Yes. And let us take axiom 6. Okay, Sarthak, I'm very glad that I helped you. Okay, your doubts are clear. That is very good. If you have any other doubts also, you can ask me. Okay, the things which are double of the same thing are equal to one and another. What does it say? Read it again. The things which are double of same things are equal to one and another. Okay, yes. So A is equal to B, then 2A will also be equal to 2B. Okay, or we can take like this also, the things which are double of same things. Okay, we can say 2A is equal to C. Okay, 2B is also equal to C, double of same things. What does this imply? This implies 2A is equal to 2B. ओके ऐसा भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. Now things which are half of the same things are equal to one and another. Yes, things which are half of same things, let me take half of A is equal to C, half of B is equal to C. What does this imply? Okay, this implies half A is equal to half B, or nothing but A is equal to B. Okay, this is what it implies. यहाँ पे भी same, 2A is equal to C, 2B is equal to C. What does this imply? 2A is equal to 2B, which is A is equal to B. So all the 7 axioms are over. So any doubts do you have? If you don't have any doubts, we can proceed with the postulates. And what are axioms? Axioms are universal truth used throughout the mathematics. Okay, so इसको कोई specific clear proof नहीं है. Okay, Euclid observed this in the nature, in the surrounding, and he defined them. Okay, so what are postulates which we are going to study now? Postulates are nothing but the one universal truth related constraint only with the geometry. Now observation, the magnitude of same kinds can be compared and added, but the magnitude of different kinds cannot be compared. Okay, what does this observation say? Magnitude of same kind. जैसे कि real life example. Okay, Sarthak, let us think, let us assume your height is 5 feet. Okay, and let us assume your weight is, for simplification, not to say this. Okay, let us take your weight as 50 kgs. Now, what is the total? अरे ऐसे कैसे sir? Can I say like your total is 5.50, 5.5 feet kg, something like this? No, right? Okay, let us take, there are 10 horses and 20 sheep. Can we add them? Nahi. Let us take a line of 10 centimeter. Let us take an angle of 30 degrees. Can we add them? No, we cannot add because the magnitude are different types. लाइन का डायमेंशन है सेंटीमीटर, एंगल का डायमेंशन है डिग्रीज, कैसे ऐड कर सकते हो सर? यू टेल मी अ लाइन of some certain length, say 5 centimeters. You tell me another line, say something for something 3 centimeters. Now you tell me to add that. Okay, 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter ये कर सकते हैं हम. Okay, so you tell me an angle, say let us take it as 30 degrees. Okay, now you tell me another linking angle, let us say it is 10 degrees. Now what is the total angle from here to here? It is nothing but 30 plus 10, right? We can add them. That is why we can add them, because they were of same magnitude. Also we can subtract them. Okay, so these were the examples. Now let us start with the postulates. Should we begin with the postulates? Yes. A straight line may be drawn from any 2 point to any 1 point to another point. Okay. Take a point somewhere in the Cartesian plane. Okay. You can draw a line. A straight line may be drawn from any point to any other point. यहाँ से यहाँ तक हम लोग एक straight line draw कर सकते हैं. This is what postulate 1 says. Yes. Now, in this postulate, Euclid does not say that there cannot be more than one such line. Okay, असल में there cannot be more than one such line, but he did not say that. He just assumed without mentioning that there is a unique line. Unique means single, particular. Okay, a unique line joining two distinct points. So this result is stated in the form of an axiom. Okay, now क्या है वो axiom? Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Okay, see, at point P you can draw infinitely many lines. Okay, point P है, कितने lines draw कर सकते हैं हम point P पे? We can draw infinitely many lines at point P. But remember, there will be one unique line which will pass from the point P and also from the point Q. Okay, yes, Q पे भी same, you can draw any infinitely many points. There will be only one line which passes, okay, through both the points P and Q. Okay, second postulate, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Okay, so AB is a line, it is a terminated line. Now we can extend it from both the sides. Okay, so this is what it says. Okay, a terminately line can be produced infinitely. Okay, indefinitely is what they say. ये जितना चाहिए उतना एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, ये भी जितना चाहिए उतना एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. सर्कल कैन बी ड्रॉन विथ एनी सेंटर एंड एनी रेडियस. यस, कौन सा भी कहां भी एक कार्टेशियन प्लेन में एक सेंटर ले लो. ओके, कितना भी रेडियस ले लो, यू कैन ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. दिस इज व्हाट पोस्टुलेट 3 says. Yes, now you can see here there are three different circles of different radius. Next postulate, all the right angles are equal to one and another. Okay, square ले लो, rectangle ले लो. This right angle, how much is it? It is equal to 90 degree. This right angle is also equal to 90. This is also equal to 90. This is also equal to 90. Okay, let us take this points as P, Q, R, S. So what with this postulate, what does it say? It says angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to angle S, that is equal to 90 degree. All the right triangles are equal to one and another. This is what it says. Yes. Now last postulate, a very important postulate. Now read this. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, if a straight line falling on two straight lines make the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet one and another on which sum of angles is less than right angles. Now what it is telling, क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पे, देखो इधर. See here. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, okay, see, you can see the diagram which is shown here. Okay, if a straight line is falling on the two straight lines, okay, now if this angles, if we add and if it is less than two right angles, okay, now see this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle. Now clearly if you see this angles, they are less than two right angles means less than 180. Now जहां पे भी less than 180 है, that side the two lines, if it is extended, they will meet. ओके, ये हमने एक्सटेंड किया. ओके, ये भी हमने एक्सटेंड किया. So are they gonna meet here? Yes, यहाँ पे देखो, they have met here. So this is what this postulate says. Yes. Now C plus D is less than 180. जहां पे less than 180 है वहां पे they will meet. Now let me ask you a question based on this postulate. Okay, what question I will ask is, I'm gonna draw a line, a straight line. ठीक है, मैंने एक ऐसा straight line draw कर दिया. Yes. Now if I draw any two straight lines, okay, and check the angles, okay, let me say this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, this is angle D. Now which side are they gonna meet? Can you comment in the chat? Are these two lines when produced, are they gonna meet on the left side or the right side? Can you comment in the chat, students? Yes. Are they gonna meet on the right side or on the left side? कहाँ पे? Yes, because angle D plus C, it is less than 180 degrees, so they are gonna meet on the left side when they are extended or when they are produced. Now another case. Okay, now what if I draw parallel lines? What if I draw parallel lines? Which side are they less than 180? This is 90, this is 90 because they are parallel. Okay, sum of these two angles is 180. यहाँ पे भी 90 90 है. If we add यहाँ पे भी हमको 180 और two right right angles, two right angles मिलेंगे. So where is gonna these two lines meet? Are they gonna meet on the left side or are they gonna meet the right side? Yes, because they are parallel, they are not gonna meet at all. Okay, so this lines, because they are parallel and they are exactly equal to 180 the angles, so they are not gonna meet. Yes. Now propositions or theorem, ये है तुम्हारे लिए. Okay, theorem 5.1, theorem this, theorem that, propositions. What are this? See, after Euclid stated his postulates and axioms, okay, he used this axioms and postulates to prove other results. Okay, another results prove करने को he has used this. Then using this results, he proved more results by applying deductive reasoning. Okay, that statements were proved, वो वाले statements proved किए थे, and that were called as propositions and theorems. Okay, let us see an example how Euclid used his axioms and postulates for proving some of the results. Now, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line, they are on a line, and B lies between A and C, then prove that AB plus BC, AB plus BC is equal to AC. Yes? Yes, Sudhir, they will not intersect each other. तुमने previous question को answer दिया है. Yes, that is the right answer. Okay, now what about this? In the figure, it is clear that AC coincides, okay, with AB plus BC. Okay, now देखो इधर, let me show you. Let me take a line AC. देखो मैंने यहाँ पे AC ड्रॉ कर लिया, इसको मैं यहाँ पे मूव कर दूंगा. Okay, this is what line is this? This line is AC. Now let me draw another line. Let me draw it of green color. Okay, this is AB. क्या है ये लाइन? ये लाइन है AB. and let me draw a connecting line which is BC. Okay, now see, let me, if I place it here, okay, if I place this also here, okay, थोड़ा ये हो गया, okay, because the point बड़े के है ना. Now think these are like small dots. Now clearly what AC coincides with AB and BC, right? Yes. So what we can say with this, okay, using axiom 4, we can say that which coincides with one another are equal. So it can be said that AB plus BC is equal to AC or CA. Yes, बोल सकते हैं हम. Yes, definitely we can say this. Yes, now let us prove a theorem which is frequently used in different results. क्या है वो theorem? Two distance line cannot have more than one point in common. Okay. Now, what it says is two distinct line, दो अलग अलग line, when drawn, when produced, when extruded, when extended. Okay, when they meet, they cannot have more than one common point. Let us prove this. Okay, we will take two lines L and M. We now prove that they have only one common point. कैसे prove करते हैं? Let us suppose that two lines intersect in two distinct points. कहने के लिए अभी we are telling let us take they intersect at two distinct points, say P and Q. So we have two lines passing through two distinct points P and Q. But this assumption clashes the axiom 1. क्या है axiom 1? Okay, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to another. Okay, so axiom 1, that only one line can pass through such two distinct points. Okay, yes, so the assumption that we stated that two lines can pass through two distinct points is wrong. Okay, so we can conclude that two distinct lines cannot have more than one common point. Okay, so this is what we have derived now. Yes, solve yourself. Let us solve this problem. If a point C lies between two points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is half of AB. Explain by drawing this figure. Okay, now let us take this line. Let us draw this line. Okay, A and B. Let this be equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so how much is AB? AB is 8 centimeter. Okay, if a point C lies between the two points, between means exactly center. Okay, what this will distance be? This distance will be 4. This also distance will be 4. Prove that AC is half of AB. Okay, AC is equal to 4. AB is how much? AB is 8. Now compare these two results. Can we say AC is half of AB? Yes, we can. And hence we have proved this. Yes. Now let us play a quiz. Let me see if you can answer them. Are you guys ready? I will wait for few seconds. Okay, if you are there, if you're watching my stream, and if you want to participate in this quiz, say yes. Yes, comment yes in the chat box so that we can begin our quiz. Read the question. Only one line can pass through a single point. मतलब एक पॉइंट है. ओके, ये पॉइंट से क्या एक ही लाइन पास हो सकता है? क्या और लाइंस पास नहीं हो सकते हैं क्या? See, this is the hint which I have given. So, is it true or false, guys? Come on, comment in the chat. Sudhir, are you there? Sarthak, are you there? Yes, only one line can pass through a point. Is it true or false? Comment in the chat. Should we check the answers? Yes. 10 seconds more I'll give so that you can comment the answer in the chat. The answer for this is false. We can have infinitely many lines passing through a single point. Yes, Sudhir, congratulations, you have answered it right. Very good. False is the right answer. Yes. Next question, everyone. There are infinite number of lines passing through two distinct points. Okay. दो पॉइंट्स है. There is a point P, there is a point Q. Okay, point P है, point Q है. Okay, P say how many lines we can draw on passing through the point P? We can draw infinitely many points. Point Q say we can also draw infinitely many points. But क्या बोला axiom 1? Okay, what does axiom 1 says? There can be only one unique line which passes through the both the points. So what is the answer for this? Sudhir, you have answered it false, and that is the right answer. False is the right answer. Yes, it is a contradict statement to axiom 1. Yes, next question. Check this out and answer this. A terminated point can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Okay, terminated line. Terminate means to end, to stop. Okay, so ये line है, उसको terminate करके stop कर दिए है. Okay, let us take this as A and B. Can we extend this to infinitely both the sides? ओके, यस, देखो इधर ये लाइन है ना, इसको हम लोग एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं जितना चाहिए उतना. राइट सुधीर, यहाँ पे भी जितना चाहिए उतना हम लोग एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? द आंसर इज ट्रू. ओके, एक लाइन है, वी कैन एक्सटेंड इट बोथ द साइड्स. इज इट ट्रू? यस, वी कैन एक्सटेंड इट. सो ट्रू इज द आंसर फॉर दिस. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, if two circles are equal, then are their radii equal? Yes. Okay, this is axiom 4. If two things coincide with one another, they are equal. अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं? If two circles are equal, then their radius are also equal. So what is the answer for this? So there, the answer for this is true. Yes. In the given figure, yes, yes, Sudhir, be quick next time. Okay, thoda fast, thoda fast. Yes, answer this, answer this. In the given figure, if AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then is AB equal to XY? What about this question, Sudhir? Which axiom are we gonna use? We are gonna use axiom. If कौन सा था वो? Okay, axiom 1. Things are equal to the same thing, they are equal to each other. So AB is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to XY. What does this imply? AB is equal to XY. The answer is true. Yes, Sudhir, this is right. Okay, so what is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid axioms? Consider a universal truth. It is considered as a universal truth because the statement phi in the axiom phi is true in all the situations. क्या है axiom phi? Should I read it for you? The whole is greater than the part. Yes, it is true. यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ कैसे है? देखो, आई गेव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पिज्जा. सार्थक को, सुधीर को पसंद है पिज्जा. डू यू लाइक पिज्जा? नाउ दिस इज अ होल पिज्जा एंड द अनदर इज 1/4 ऑफ अ पिज्जा. 1/4 मीन्स मैंने अभी बनाया नहीं है. ओके, मैंने अभी बना दिया. हाँ, नाउ चेक दिस आउट. कौन सा पार्ट ग्रेटर है? इज द होल ग्रेटर और द पार्ट ग्रेटर? ये दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है? द होल इज ग्रेटर, राइट? द होल इज ग्रेटर. ओके, यस. So this is a universal truth. Yes. In figure, if AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD. कैसे करना है proof? Very easy. See here, from the figure, AC is equal to what? AC is AB plus BC. BD is what? BD is equal to, okay, BC plus CD. Should I write BC afterwards? Let me write CD first. CD plus BC. Now what they have told, if AC is equal to BD, ये दोनों equal है बोल दी है, equal है. So can I equate them? Yes, if they are equal, I can equate them. Okay, I can write like this. Now BC BC cancel, दोनों साइड BC cancel कर दो. What we get? We get AB is equal to CD. So hence we have proved this. Yes, yes. So we will stop here, everyone. So what have we learned today? What have we learned? We have learned the definition of geometry. क्या है geometry? Geometry is a Greek word. Geo means earth, metron means measurement. We have studied Euclid definitions. Okay, Euclid had defined a point, defined a line, defined a plane. Okay, point has no dimensions, ऐसा Euclid ने बोला है. Line is a breadthless dimension, breadthless length, and a plane is which has length and breadth only. Euclid definitions we have learned. We have learned what are axioms, what are postulates. Let me ask you this question: how many axioms are there? Can anyone tell? There are 7 axioms. And how many postulates are there which Euclid defined? There are 5 postulates. Okay. So what did you let us learn a fun fact. Euclid was a Greek mathematician and he is referred as father of geometry. ये तो मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था लेसन स्टार्ट होने से पहले. So who is father of geometry? Euclid is father of geometry. So should we stop here, everyone? Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class. Have a nice day, everyone. Yes, and very important, Sudhir and कौन है और एक सार्थक. Sudhir and Sarthak, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon.